All right, this is Meteorologist Matthew East here, and you've clicked on to the latest edition of the Carolina weather video here, back in the regular routine here on this Wednesday morning. And a couple maps here recapping our snow event as we started off this week. This is a map compiled by the National Weather Service in Raleigh, and give you a general idea of the snow totals. And certainly this was a snowstorm that the heaviest snows occurred in the western Piedmont of North Carolina, and then a little bit of a lull in the immediate lee of the mountains. And then you got up into the mountains, and it was a very big snowstorm up there. A lot of spots over 8 to 10 inches, even a lot of folks over a foot of snow up there in the North Carolina mountains. Let's talk specifically here across, look at the southwestern Piedmont up into the mountains. This is by the Greenville-Spartanburg National Weather Service. Nice map they've put together. That heavy snow band really consolidated and set up shop there from Cherokee County, South Carolina, on through Cleveland County, northwest Gaston, western Lincoln, and southwestern Catawba counties there in North Carolina. That is where there were widespread totals in excess of 6 inches, and some folks saw 8, 9, 10 inches of snow in that corridor. And then you got up into the mountains, 16 inches up at Mount Mitchell. There were some very healthy snow totals up there in the mountains with this event. And again, you see that little bit of a lull there through western parts of Burke County and points north and east from there. So it was a good snowstorm, biggest snowstorm many folks have seen in quite a while around here, and a lot of folks were happy to see that. Still some snow on the ground this morning in many spots, but the sunshine will be working on that again today. It's a cold start to the day, lows in the 20s, even some upper teens in some Piedmont locations, high pressure sitting right overhead. And notice this southerly flow back here in the Plain States, and again, that's leading to this milder weather you see back in here. And that's going to be moving our way. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the 6C run of the GFS. This afternoon, high pressure over northeastern North Carolina, southeastern Virginia. It'll be a day today with lots of sunshine. Still cool, highs in the 40s today in Piedmont zones. Below freezing again tonight, but then we really crank this warm up into gear beginning tomorrow. We're going to be talking highs tomorrow all the way up into the upper 50s in many spots. And here we are Friday. And then it's just going to be downright comfortable. Very well-established southwesterly flow. Friday looks like a day where we see highs mid to upper 60s, maybe even some lower 70s as soon as Friday. And then certainly by Saturday, I think we're looking at 70s for high temperatures. Sunday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 70s for highs as well. So we make a big shift in the weather here. We've had highs to begin this week 20 degrees below average. And I think as we get into this weekend, we'll see highs 15 to 20 degrees above average. So a very big temperature turnaround as we have gone through the course of this first week of March. And you see that in the month of March a lot of times, a lot of temperature volatility. And finally here, look at, as we make the time change this weekend, this will actually be now 0 will be 8 p.m. So this will be 8 p.m. Monday. Maybe a chance of some showers up in the mountains, but I don't think we probably see much precip here Monday. But I will bring in some shower chances Tuesday and Wednesday. And let me say this, I posted this in the blog post yesterday, I don't think we're finished with cold weather. It's looking like by mid-month we'll try to make a change back to some colder weather. There'll probably be a storm system roll through toward the latter stages of next week, and that could very well usher in a pattern change back to colder weather. I'm still working on those ideas, but I don't think we are finished at all with cold weather. But we do get some nice mild weather to enjoy through the weekend and into the very first part of next week. All right, that's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks very much for watching. And hey, thanks very much for checking in with the blog and video products as we went through the snow event. Just some incredible numbers of hits on the blog. I really appreciate everybody checking in. Spread the word. Let everybody know this site's here, and I really appreciate everybody checking in. Everyone have a wonderful Wednesday, and God bless.